Apple's latest iOS update 18.2.1 has officially landed, and today I'm reviewing how it performs on the iPhone 16 Pro Max. From performance upgrades to lingering issues, I'll break it all down and let you know if this update is worth installing. So let's dive in. First, let's talk about the size of the update. For me, it came in at just over 500 MB, pretty typical for a minor update. Installation was smooth, and the device rebooted without any issues. If you're updating from iOS 18.2, you shouldn't face any hiccups during the process. One of the first things I tested was battery performance. On my 16 Pro Max, battery life seemed steady, if not slightly improved. I noticed fewer sudden drops during moderate usage, but the overall improvement feels incremental. If you've been struggling with battery drain, this update might help stabilize things, but don't expect a dramatic change. Performance-wise, I ran a few benchmarks to see how the update affects the 16 Pro Max. The Geekbench results showed a minor improvement in multi-core scores, which means the update might bring slight optimizations for multitasking and app performance. In real-world use, apps load quickly and animations remain buttery smooth. However, not everything is perfect. Apple Intelligence, the system feature meant to optimize storage and performance, and continues to be a pain point for many users. On my device, it's consuming over 3 GB of storage, even though I don't actively use it. Other users have reported similar complaints, so this is definitely something Apple needs to address in future updates. As for the camera, iOS 18.2.1 doesn't bring any new features, but the 16 Pro Max's camera system still delivers top-tier results. Photos are sharp, low-light performance is impressive, and the image processing feels consistent with previous versions. No complaints here, but also no surprises. So is iOS 18.2.1 worth installing on your iPhone 16 Pro Max? If you're looking for stability improvements and minor optimizations, I'd say yes. However, don't expect game-changing features or fixes for every issue. Apple is clearly focusing on incremental updates to fine-tune iOS 18 as we approach future releases. Have you updated to iOS 18.2.1 yet? Let me know in the comments what your experience has been like. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.